Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking you along as we journey from Bali to the beautiful island of Nusa Penida. So we are here at Bali Sanur Port, getting ready to take the Idola Express ferry to Nusa Penida. The ferry costs us 1,40,000 IDR per person and it is just a 30 minutes boat ride from Bali.
We have just arrived at the Sampalan Port in Nusa Penida and the entry fee to the island is 25,000 IDR per person. As soon as we got off the ferry, we were approached by taxi drivers and the cost to our hotel was quoted at 3 lakh IDR. But we decided to look for a more budget-friendly option. Right in front of the harbour, there are bike rentals. We rented a bike for 2,50,000 IDR for the next 3 days. Super convenient and way cheaper than the taxi.
We have just arrived at a hotel, the Sunset Hill Panida Resort. I'll leave the link to the resort in the description below. After checking into the hotel, we spent the rest of the evening doing some shopping for the upcoming beach days. Snacks, sunscreen and few essentials. We'll be hitting the beach tomorrow, so we are all set.
Good morning! It's day 2 here in Nusa Penida and today we have got an exciting day ahead. First up, we are heading to the gorgeous Kelingking Beach, regularly ranked as the world's most beautiful beach. You've probably seen the famous T-Rex rock formation, but today we are going to take you down to the beach and trust me, the view from the top is just the beginning. So let's go!
And as you can see, the view is absolutely insane. But what you might not know is to get down to the beach, we have got to hike down this crazy set of stairs. It's a bit of a challenge, but definitely worth it. We would highly recommend to start the day early to avoid crowds. Nusa Penida is full of beautiful spots, but some of them like Kelingking Beach can get busy as the day goes on, as there are many guided trips from Bali that come to Nusa Penida.
To truly take in the natural beauty of Nusa Penida, we would recommend budgeting 3 full days on the island. This allows enough time to see all the famous spots at a relaxed pace. Rushing to cram everything in 1 or 2 days is possible, but it can get quite tiring.
Just to give you an idea, these stairs are pretty steep and narrow. So if you are planning to come here, make sure you wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. These steep stairs leading down to the beach are definitely a workout. These are the kind of footwear you need to avoid.
Are at the most famous spot in Nusa Penida, the Kelingking Beach. took us 1 hour from the top to come down, and the older people try to avoid this place as the path might get very difficult here, and the younger ones, I think you have to come here. Look how beautiful it is, and we are going to spend the rest of our afternoon here, and to enjoy the shot.
And we are here, yay! We are officially on the sand of Kelingking Beach, and this is such a big deal for me because the last time I was here in 2019, we took a day trip to Nusa Penida, but I had kind of fallen in love with this place, so this time I just had to go down and see the beach for myself. I can't get over how beautiful this place is. The beach is secluded, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore is just so peaceful. Thank you, universe, for making this happen. Not gonna lie, the climb back up to the Kelingking Beach is no joke. There was scorching heat and it took about an hour to get back to the top. We then cooled off with some tender coconut water, and our next stop would be the Tembling Beach and Forest. Tembling Beach is a little hideaway bay at the end of a crazy motorbike ride down through the forest. Along the way, you will pass by the Tembling natural pools. If you're looking for something that's a little off the beaten path and away from the tourist hotspots, you may enjoy the adventure of Tembling Beach, 2 beautiful natural pools, and the Tembling Forest.
You can already tell that this place has a different vibe. It's so calm and quiet. It's a hidden gem on this island. The forest just behind the beach is like stepping into another world. The trees here are massive and there is a cool, calming energy. Everything feels so peaceful.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me.
Tembling Beach and Forest is one of those places that makes you feel like you're discovering something special, and I'm glad I got to share it with you.
Alright, that's it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and drop a comment if you've been to Kelingking or Tembling Beach and if it's now on your Nusa Penida bucket list. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we go on a beach hunt in Nusa Penida.